Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to make money on YouTube. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to unlock the wealth that YouTube can offer. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Find your niche. First things first, find a niche that you're passionate about. It could be cooking, gaming, fashion, or anything that sparks your interest. Just make sure it's something you love talking about and can provide valuable content on. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Create high-quality videos that captivate your audience. Invest in a good camera and microphone for better video and audio quality. And remember, engaging storytelling is key. Be authentic, be yourself. Step 3. Optimize your videos. Optimize your videos for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. Step 4. Build your audience. Building a loyal audience takes time and consistency. Promote your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your viewers in the comments section. Keep them coming back for more. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Now that your channel is gaining traction, it's time to make some money. Join the YouTube Partner Program and enable monetization on your videos. This will allow ads to be displayed, and you'll earn money based on ad views and clicks. You can partner with brands for sponsored videos, sell merchandise, offer online courses or consulting services, or even start a Patreon page. Consistency is key to success on YouTube. Upload videos regularly and constantly improve your content. Listen to your audience's feedback and adapt accordingly. Focus on growth, and you'll unlock even more opportunities to earn money. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be patient and keep learning along the way. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of aspiring YouTube creators. Happy